For daily hacks in human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be notified our videos. If you're a fan of the 10-step skincare regimen that Korean beauty is known for, chances are you're familiar with the term glass skin, a smooth, clear, and intensely hydrated complexion that makes dewy skin seem dull. Glass skin is when your skin is at its very healthiest, explains Alicia Yoon, founder of Peach and Lily. In order for skin to appear poreless, luminous, and translucent, so many things have to happen. You can't just be hydrated and look that way. Your skin really needs to be its healthiest in all aspects. Babies have see-through skin, and that's because their skin is still so healthy. While the desire for glass skin initially originated in Korea, Yoon recalls when it first rose to popularity in the United States. What products do I need? Oil cleanser and gentle foam cleanser for double cleansing. Yoon recommends first washing your face with a gentle oil cleanser that won't clog pores or strip skin of its natural oils. Toner. Toners help reset the pH of the skin and allow the next steps in your routine to absorb better into the skin, says Erica Cox, licensed esthetician and cosmetologist with Savor Beauty. Essence. Not only does it moisturize the skin, providing a natural glow, but a functional essence heightens the benefits of any skincare routine. Moisturizer. Look for a moisturizer that's going to give you an instant burst of hydration, leaving skin looking smooth and supple, like Origin's Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in any K-beauty routine. You want to look for one that's hydrating, protecting, and won't leave behind residue. Face mask. Look for clay masks that will clean and reduce the appearance of pores without drying or irritating skin. Youth to the People Superberry Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Mask is a good place to start. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share to your friends.